The dominance of the helicopter at Yeovilton ended with the arrival of the most remarkable aircraft of all, the Hawker Sea Harrier. It's a plane that openly defies the principles of flight. It can fly like any other fighter, but it can also take off vertically, turn a complete circle, fly backwards, and most important, it can hover. In flying parlance, it's a pilot's plane.
The Sea Harrier's advantages, if you like, are the vertical performance. That's close to the ground predominantly. You can also use the thrust vectoring whilst airborne. The handling is more difficult than a conventional aeroplane. The training is more complex. Once you've done it, though, it's tremendously satisfying. At the very first flight for any Sea Harrier pilot, the thing that you'll notice is the massive thrust. It's a running takeoff. It's conventional in terms of what you're used to from previous aeroplanes. You slam the throttle up to full power, and it's a huge kick in the backside.
Incredibly, the first deck landing by a Harrier was way back in 1963 by the legendary test pilot Bill Bedford. 25 years later, in 1988, Bill marked the Silver Jubilee anniversary by making another deck landing in a Harrier and recalled his first.
We weren't full of apprehension that some of the men from the ministry said, what's going to happen if the nozzles don't come down or the engine stops? You'll buckle the deck, you'll blow the crew overboard, and you'll deafen the captain. So it was with some trepidation that we went aboard, but events proved, I think, how important VSTOL and the Harrier is for air power at sea.
In 1996, at the age of 75, Bill Bedford died, a remarkable pilot who'd pioneered the success of a remarkable aircraft.